Hello folks, welcome to Fingertips and yet another interesting video on AI, which will help you understand how AI and IoT works together. But before you get into this complex topic of why IoT needs AI, let's first have a quick look into what is AI. You might think that AI is robot, but the reality is different. AI is something that makes human tasks easy and automatic. Whether you realize it or not, AI is everywhere. The application of AI is not only for big sectors in finance or manufacturing, but also in our day to day lives. You ask how? Just look around. You have smart fridge, smart kitchen appliance, smart TV, and whatnot. Other best example, take your phone, open the music app, you got recommendations. You got smart watch, you can easily count on the steps, track your heart rate and whatnot. See, these all is AI. Some of the other examples of AIs are digital assistants, voice recognizing devices, navigating interactive devices, and much more. The miraculous example of AI is AIBO, that is a series of robotic puppies, a companion robot designed and manufactured by Sony. It can communicate with the owner, follow their commands, recognize the faces, and be a friendly companion. It's amazing, right? Now, if we talk about IoT, then it is a network of physical objects equipped with sensors and software that allow them to collect and exchange the data. You might be thinking about how AI and IoT are connected to each other and why IoT needs AI. As said earlier, we live in a world where technology is taking over our daily lives. It's no longer just our laptops, smartphones, and tablets connected to the internet. Now, our homes, cars, and even technical devices are digitalized. And IoT is helping in permanently capturing a tremendous amount of data from these multiple sources. However, data coming from countless of IoT devices makes it complex to collect, process, and analyze the data. Fortunately, there is a solution. Any guesses? Yes, of course, it's AI. AI has potential impact on daily lives. Look around and we will see how our lives have simplified and become more informative by connecting to various devices we use generally. Every small detail is now in our reach with such an ease. It is certainly very beneficial as it improves business growth. All this is made possible by IoT and AI. Are you still confused or need more insights? Let's go into these concepts a little deep and know what exactly it is. Now, for you to make it simple, IoT is the Internet of Things with a network of the things or objects. It can be anything from fitness trackers to industrial machines are connected with the sensors or software to exchange the data with other devices and systems on internet. The IoT can perform tasks accurately without human interaction. You can talk to voice assistants like Alexa, which can perform a variety of functions including playing music, providing weather report, getting sports scores, give nutrition tips, ordering an Uber, and so much more. Isn't it great? So, with this, you might be thinking how it helps the business to grow. Today, a lot of data gets generated at once, but only data is not going to help the business grow. It should be smart. With IoT, this becomes a huge advantage as more the data, the better the solutions are generated by AI, IoT, and machine learning. Well, IoT is definitely one way to leverage more data is much smarter manner to create amazing solution. The best IoT examples are Tesla is known for making mark in the electric vehicle market. All cars come with connectivity features that provide access to features through Wi-Fi only, in addition to basic maps, navigation and music streaming. With Tesla's premium connectivity, one can get access to all connecting features through cellular data as well as Wi-Fi. We are already living in the future, guys, where automatic cars with auto drive options are taking care of road navigation. The intelligent computer makes decisions based on the road conditions, traffic, parking suggestions without the driver. Tesla also gives driver the option to connect their vehicle to the Tesla app, which can access the vehicle's charging history, and climate controls, and be used to schedule surveys and roadside assistance. Also, smart home solutions like smart TV, fridge can be connected and operated through our mobile phones. These electronic devices gives us notifications on cleaning schedules or tasks to perform services on time. The time is finally here that you don't have to remember to switch off the lights when you leave your space. You have sensors which read the moment. Also, you can have the automated thermostats in your air conditioner which sense the movement and start the AC also automatically. Adjust the room temperature as per data entered in the system. See how these technologies are changing our lives? This is possible when AI and IoT work together. Another best example we can take is healthcare, where AI and IoT together are spreading their magic. Healthcare today has come up with such smart health solutions. For instance, imagine a sensor that is probably connected to your body, or you have health apps that grabs all your health information. You can consult a doctor sitting miles away and online treatment by healthcare specialists who can offer you quick online diagnosis and prescribe you the required medicines. You also have the facility to avail of the medicines online with quick delivery options. IoT system helps in driving efficiency. It provides business with useful data that will definitely help them grab better growth opportunities. This is a game changer when it comes to business aspects. Better and bigger world with intelligent solutions. AI and IoT is a super cool combination. Companies who are ready to invest huge amount to get AI and IoT in industry and get impressive business insights. If you think automation is such a fascinating concept and interesting career option, here are the few things we would like you to know. Are you willing to make a career in AI or IoT? You will be amazed to know that AI and IoT is one of the top 10 career options today and definitely offers bright future. There is a lot of demand for AI and IoT developers, ML IoT engineers, AI experts, data analytics, and data scientists. So if you are proficient in this concept and if data science interests you, you can make the best future in the streams. And in this journey, Fingertips can help you. So why wait? Visit our website and explore our top tech courses, which will surely help you to future-proof your career. It's time to wrap up. Thank you for watching this video, and for more such content, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Till then, happy learning!